Yo, what's good, people? This your guy Dan Tanner, the bad boy of tech. And people, I bought the LG K30 yesterday or recently, whenever you're watching this video. I just got it or whatever, but in true Tanner Does Tech fashion, I couldn't leave it bland with stock everything on it. I had to pimp it out, so I'm about to let you guys know what's on my LG K30. Let's go. Well, alright everybody, there he is, the LG K30. Yes indeed, yes indeed. Now let's get this boy popping and open and see what's going on. Let's go. As you can see right there, I'm rocking with an all black theme. Yes indeed, it looks good with the black phone and everything, I thought. And let me show you how I got that, because it's baked in the LG software. Now pull down the shade, hit the settings button, then scroll down to where it says theme. As you see right here, it's gonna show you the theme that the phone came with. And you're gonna see this high contrast option right here. You wanna click on that high contrast option right there, hit apply, and there it is. You know what I'm saying? It's just that simple. LG, nice touch with that. I really appreciate that. Yes sir, yes sir. Well, alright everybody, let's get to the apps and everything. Let's go ahead and start with the layout. As far as my clock goes, I got that from Beautiful Widgets. Probably seen that before if you already a subscriber to me. On my other phones, I just love Beautiful Widgets. Yes indeed. Tells you the damn date, the time of course, the location, the weather. Nice widget. Yes sir, yes sir. Now this setup on this LG is a little bit different than my usual setup and everything. It's a little bit more minimalistic. Usually I have like around 5 or 6 folders and everything, but on this boy I only have 2 because there's only 16 gigs of storage on the phone. But that's alright though. I'm gonna show you why it's alright. Now the first folder I open up is my social folder. And then I got the usual Facebook, Google+, Telegram, WhatsApp, Hangouts, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook Messenger. I don't know why I got Google Plus on here twice. I guess it was so nice, I put it there twice. Anyway, that's my social setup and everything. You can contact me and rock with me at Tanner Does Tech, one word, 2 N's in Tanner. Man, come on and follow me, rock with me. I'm on there all day, every day. Now let me go ahead and close this. Next to that, it's football season. I'm heavy into fantasy football, so I got the Yahoo Fantasy app and the NFL Fantasy Football apps. You know what I'm saying? So far, my first week, looking pretty damn good. I done won 3 times out of 5 years, people. I'm pretty good at that. You know what I'm saying? So fantasy football is my thing. Now the folder next to those is the Google folder. Now this folder right here came with the phone. You know what I'm saying? This was some of the so-called bloatware, but it's Android owned by Google. Of course, you're gonna have some Google apps on there. I got the YouTube on there, the YouTube Studio, so I can go ahead and communicate with you guys. Man, rock with you, chat with you a little bit. Next to that, I got the Gmail, the Photos app right here for all the pictures and everything. And that's one of the reasons why I don't trip about storage, because all my photos go straight to Google Photos in the cloud, so it's never on the device. Even on my Samsung, same thing. And next to that is the Google Drive. That's another reason why I don't trip about phone storage like that, because with every Google account that you get 15 gigs of free storage. So you can store whatever the hell you want on there, absolutely free. Yes sir, yes sir. Next to that, Google Maps, under there, the Google search and whatever. Then next to that, the controls for my Gboard and Google Play Music. Yes indeed. So back out of that, on the row below, Google Play Store. Google Duo is my video app of choice, of course. Then right here is something called Smart Cleaning, which I really appreciate that LG put on their phones this time, on their entry-level phone this time, because this thing works pretty damn good. Works just as good as the Samsung device maintenance app, where you clear all the cache and all the RAM and everything that's not wanted on your phone and everything. Good luck on that, LG. Yes sir, yes sir. Then next to that, since I don't like swiping down all the time, settings button. Then up under that, the Google search bar, self-explanatory stuff. Then as far as my dock goes, very simple. I got the phones, Android text for the text messaging. There's the damn app drawer button, Google Chrome, and the camera app. Now, I got 2 other home pages on here. Gotta swipe to the left. That's my Booksy app right there. What's going on, Rich? You made a video, bro. Yes, indeed, Samsung Night Stand Up. I got the Booksy Biz at the top for all my appointments and everything. Love Booksy Biz. Yes, indeed, I love Booksy. Gave me a lot of clients and everything, and it's efficient. It keeps everything organized. If you got a business, whether if you're a barber, musician, or whatever thing, or a business that runs on appointments and everything, you want to check out Booksy. And below that right there, where the music symbol is, that's Tidal. Instead of Pandora, I use Tidal. Love it, love it, love it. Has a lot of exclusive content you can't find nowhere else, and they have it first. So Tidal, it might cost $10 a month, but to me it's worth it. Okay, let's scroll to the right, and that right there is a remote to my Roku. You know what I'm saying? Yes indeed, because a lot of times I don't feel like fumbling around looking for the damn remote. So I just grab this phone right here, hit the damn widget, and get it busting. Yes sir, yes sir. And oh yeah, I got to give you guys an update too about the sticker situation on the phone, because when I was unboxing it, man, I took some stickers off the back of here right here, and the glue residue was ridiculous. It took me damn near an hour to get it off fully or whatever, but good news. Let me wipe this down real quick. Because I got fingerprints on the back of this metal and everything. Good news is no sign or anything of the stickers ever being on here. It just takes a little elbow grease and work, but it came off. Well, all right, everybody, that just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, give your boy a thumbs up, because that's official, and I appreciate that. Yes sir, yes sir. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole swag and madness of Dan Tanner, then do that too, because I appreciate that too. All right, everybody, get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy.